Hi, first grade. Happy Friday. We will find the difference between two amounts to answer word problems. How will we do this? We will use 10 frames to find the unknown difference. Why? Because it is important to be able to solve problems when comparing two different amounts. All right, let's review our vocabulary. Joining, say joining. That is combining two or more sets. Separating, say separating. Separating is removing some from the group. Today we're going to be comparing amounts. We're going to find the difference between two amounts. So my first problem is I have 11 markers. My friend has 8 markers. How many more markers do I have than my friend? Okay, so we're not adding these two. We're going to find the difference between the two. That means how many more I have than she does. How many do I have that she doesn't have? All right, so let me show you how we're going to do that. We're going to draw a picture. We're going to use our counters just like we would in a 10 frame, but not in a 10 frame. All right, so here are my counters. And there I am. There we go. I have 11 markers, so I'm going to move 11 counters. These are my markers. I have 11 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Gotta squish them together a little bit more. Not too much. I don't want them touching. And then one more. Not me. 11. Okay, let me double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. Now my friend only has 8. So I'm going to put hers right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, move those out of the way so they don't get confused with the markers. Now notice how I lined them up. They are across from each other like partners. So I'm actually going to draw a line to match the partners with each other. So let's see. Move me out of the way. There we go. The other way again. So this is a partner. These are partners. These are partners. Oh, I need to make that line darker. Silly me. This goes back. All right, let's try something else. Computers. Right. So this is a partner. This is a partner. These two have partners. These two have partners. These two have partners. These two have partners. And these two have partners. All of these I have and all of these she has. Okay? How many do I have that she doesn't have? Right, 3. I have 3 more than my friend. I have 3 more markers than she does. So that is the difference. 3. Because I only have 11 and she has 8. So I have 3 more than she does. Now, let's look at the next problem. Max has 14 bones. Paxton has 10 dog bones. How many more bones does Paxton have than Max have than Paxton? All right, so let me show Max's dog bones. Max has 14 dog bones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now, how many does Paxton have? Paxton only has 10. All right, so let's show Paxton's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so now let's draw the partners. The partners are here, here. These two are partners, partners, partners. See why it's easier if you line them up better? And partners and partners. Okay, so I have these and he has these. How many are Max? How many more does Max have that Paxton doesn't have? Let me try that again. That looks horrible. These are the ones that Max has that Paxton doesn't have. How many more does Max have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Did you say 4? Then you're exactly right, and you would write 4 in your answer box. Okay, you ready to see your problems? Me too. Let's go. Now, obviously, again, you're going to draw your pictures, not move the counters. You can draw lines, you can draw circles, you can draw pieces of candy, whatever you prefer. But your question says that I have 18 pieces of candy. My friend has 14 pieces of candy. How many more pieces of candy do I have than my friend? So you need to find the ones that I have that my friend doesn't have, and write your answer in your answer box. Liza has 17 pencils. Maya has 11 pencils. How many more pencils does Liza have than Maya? Again, you're going to draw Liza's pencils, Maya's pencils, and find out how many Liza has that Maya doesn't have. And then what did you learn today? You learned to compare the difference between two numbers by joining, separating, and watching this comparison word problem video. Have a great weekend, boys and girls. Have a great Memorial Day holiday. day. Be careful, be safe, and we will see you on Tuesday. Bye.